and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll see one of the most interesting option in Excel, which is about flashback option. Now, by making use of this option, what I wanted to do is that I have the employee name. I want to extract their first name and the last name. One of the ways of this could be by making use of left and right function. But in this case, it is possible through single click, which is by making use of flashback. Now, I'll just type the first name. So automatically the data will be filled, and that is how we are going to look at it. And so I have the same set of data I have it in my other sheet. Now I want to extract this first name and the last name. So first case, in some of the cases it might not work because we would have not enabled the flash fill option. So first I'll show you how this flash fill option will be enabled, and let's go on. So in order to enable the flash fill option, go with this File tab. In File tab, go with this Options. In Options, go with this Advanced option. So clicking on Advanced will open up this particular list of options. So towards the right hand side, you can see Enable Autocomplete for values. Under that, you can see Automatically Flash Fill. So you should make sure this option is enabled and then give OK. So once I gave OK, now the flash fill option is enabled. You can find this flash fill option in data. In data, you can see this flash fill option, or otherwise the shortcut key is Control E. Now I'll just type the first name. So I'll type in the first name, just press enter. Once you press enter, just give the shortcut key Control E. So that will extract only the first name. And if in case you want the last name, just type the last name, then press enter, then give the shortcut Control. That will copy one to the last. And that concludes this video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon for further updates.